Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to select all the text from a PDF file just one click or at once. This is my PDF file. I have already opened this PDF file with this PDF-XChange Editor and click on this home option, and here you will find the select text option. Click here. Now put your mouse cursor on this text and click right button for your mouse cursor, and here you will find a select all, or you can press Ctrl plus A. And see this, all of this text now selected, and click right button for your mouse cursor. You can highlight, you can copy and convert and so on. You can export, and again click on this text and press Ctrl A from your keyboard and select. See this. Also you can select a specific text, drag your mouse cursor or word or character you can select. See this. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.